Hello and welcome to my channel. For instruction and recipes, see bottom page. This homemade crepe are a love letter to Italian comfort and French finesse. Each thin buttery crepe is stuffed with creamy ricotta fresh basil and nutmeg, then draped in a luscious Parmesan fondue that melts right into every fold. Perfect for brunch, date nights, or when you wanted to impress. Effortless. Like and subscribe. Instruction. Make the crepe. In a bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, salt, and a nutmeg until slightly frothy. Gradually whisk in the flour until smooth and glossy. The butter should coat the back of a spoon. Heat a non-stick skillet over low heat and lightly butter it. Pour in 1 lid of butter, swirl to coat evenly, and cook about 1 minute per side. Stack the crepe on a plate and set aside. Let's prep the ricotta filling. In a mixing bowl, combine ricotta, grated Parmesan, Reggiano, basil, salt, and a hint of nutmeg. Mix until cream and uniforms. Set aside. Make the Reggiano Fondue. In a small saucepan, heat the cream over low heat for about 25 to 30 minutes, allowing it to reduce slightly. Remove from heat and whisk the grated Reggiano and basil until smooth and creamy. Season lightly with salt. Let's assemble the crepe. Lay each crepe flat, spoon about 2 tablespoons of ricotta mixture in the center, and fold into a quarter, like a napkin. Let's serve the dish. Spoon a little fondue into a plate. Place the folded crepe on top and drizzle with more fondue. Garnish with fresh basil. Serve warm and enjoy them melted in your mouth. Magic. Like and subscribe for more.
wanna do.